How should we react when a malicious competitor is launching an offensive attack that may destroy the reputation of our brand? We may love peace, but should we just sit around and do nothing while a competitor is actively damaging our brand?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are going to dive into a topic which is the battlefield of the business. How to respond when a competitor is launching an offensive attack that is damaging our brand. In the world of marketing, we often find ourselves using military analogies. We talk about launching campaign, attacking the competitors, and defending our market share. It's like an armchair general, strategizing on how to win in business just like in combat. But here's the thing, while the competitor is fierce, we need to approach it with caution. Reacting impulsively for every job that your competitor is punching you may not be the best strategy to build your brand. So, let's explore some smart but effective way to navigate these situations. First and foremost, remember that your focus should be your consumers, not the competitors. It will be so easy to caught up into the street fight, throwing punches with your rivals, with your business competitor. But that doesn't do much good for your brand. Instead, channel your energy into communicating with your target audience. Of course, there are exceptions. If your competitor is spreading false information about your brand, or if you have a competitive advantage that you can exploit, then it may be worth to respond back. But always ask yourself first, how this will benefit your consumers? In the end, your brand should make a positive difference in your consumers' lives. It could be through better user experience, faster results, or longer-lasting effects. When it is necessary, it is time to be ruthlessly competitive. There are moments when confrontations is not avoidable anymore. It could be a public relations disaster you are facing, or your malicious competitor is launching advertising campaign that is directly attacking your brand. In these situations, it is crucial to act swiftly and decisively. Start engaging your legal department. Let your lawyers to work for you to identify options to defend your brand. At the same time, work very closely with your public relations manager to control the damage and to address any consumer complaints. And remember, the one who strikes first and fastest in the consumer minds may often win. Identify your key messages. Be choiceful. Keep it concise. Choose the most effective media channels to reach your audience rapidly. While crisis situation is challenging, it is important not to let it drag on longer than it is necessary. Monitor the situations closely and assess if the competitive situation has been resolved already. Once the situation is under control, shift your focus back into building your brand and delivering value for your consumers. Remember, my friends, competition in business is inevitable, but how you react to it will make all the difference. Stay smart, stay focused on your consumers, and fight only battles that truly matters. I do hope that you found these insights helpful and inspiring. How about you? How do you react to a malicious competitor that is attacking your brand's reputation? Please write in the comment sections below. If you enjoyed these episodes, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more engaging content about business and management. Don't forget to share it with your friends and colleagues who also want to learn about brand building. Wishing you success as you navigate through the competitive landscape and coming out victorious. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.